Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're showing you guys how we make our hair mist to boost moisture and hair growth. Now this hair mist is really beneficial for your hair and it helps to detangle your hair. It also helps to refresh your curls. It also is used to moisturize and seal, and you can use it also if you're in a protective style to moisturize your hair. Now, the first ingredient I'll be using is aloe vera juice. This is actually an amazing moisturizer. It soothes your scalp from dandruff and it also encourages growth. Now, the next ingredient is olive oil. And as we know, olive oil conditions your hair. It makes it healthy, it makes it strong, and it also reduces the buildup of sebum. Now, the next ingredient is rosewater. This is a mild astringent that cleans your scalp. It soothes itchiness and it also really moisturizes your hair. Now the next ingredient is Rosemary Essential Oil, and this not only restores hair growth, it also circulates blood through the scalp and improves hair growth. Now the next ingredient we're using is fenugreek. This is not only known to improve hair growth, but it reduces hair fall and it also treats dandruff. So once we make the mix, we're going to be transferring it into this spray bottle, which is perfect because it comes out like a mist and it really allows everything to distribute through your hair. So guys, we're done with this section. As you can see, it's nicely detangled and we've brushed and combed through it. So now we're just going to twist it and put it away. going to do the same thing to this section. So now we're going to move on to this section. So as you guys can see, our hair is dry now and it's actually tangled, but you can see the difference with this. This feels soft. This
very
is
silky, soft,
and it's silky, and also you can smell the essential oil in this. It's also working in our scalp as well.
This is just really amazing as a detangler. It's amazing as a leave-in conditioner and also a moisturizer when you're about to moisturize and seal your hair.
Yes.
So finally, we're going to move on to the last part.
So this spray is so amazing, guys. Our hair is really moisturized, it's detangled,
Feels silky, soft,
and we can run our fingers through our hair.
Yeah, so we're about to do wash day, which is why we just used it to detangle our hair. But in our next video, we'll show you guys how we use this spray whilst our hair is in a protective hairstyle.
Yes.
We use it to moisturize our hair whilst it's in a protective hairstyle, which is very convenient.
Yes.
So I wanted to tell you guys can use this spray in whichever way you want, whichever ingredients you want. You could do Rosewater and Fenugreek Water, or you could just do Aloe Vera and Rosewater. Whatever kind of ingredients that you prefer, you could use it. You also can use whatever essential oil or carrier oil that you want within it. This is just what we use and what works for us.
Yeah. So comment below and let us know, have you tried this kind of spray before? Have you tried any of the ingredients before? And also let us know if you've tried it and how it worked out for you. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!